Hey besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share within and outside your circle. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this reversible wine bottle holder. So it's an amazing gift option that you can use to gift someone. Maybe you just don't want to give the person the wine just like that. You can make this and make it much more luxurious. And an amazing thing about this is it is reversible. I also used fleece fabric for one of the sides so that it can add a little bit of padding to this. So it's a fluffy fleece. Basically, you can use any fabric. You can use normal fabric for this. You don't need to make it padded or anything. Just have two different fabrics and you're going to create this amazing goodness. Let's get into it. So guys, for this wine bottle gift bag, you need two fabrics of 12 inches by 16 inches. In my case, I have this fleece fabric and I have this Ankara fabric that I'm going to be using. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to fold it along the 12 inches side. So not the 16 inches, the 12 inches. Fold it along that side and then sew it on this side and then on the long side. So the open edges, you're going to leave only one open edge open basically. So sew it along these edges. Take the other fabric as well, place it right sides facing each other as well, and sew it along one short edge and one long edge. So guys, I have sewn the wine bags and this is what it looks like. So now that we have it like this, you're going to take the bottom like this. So it's flat. This is where we sewed and where we sewed. So you're going to open it up like this so that it can form like a triangle. So align it with each other, align all the seams together. And then you're going to measure about 1 inch to 1.5 inches. So I'm going to measure 1.5 inches right here. And I'm going to turn it and measure 1.5 inches right here as well. So you're not measuring from this tip right here. You're measuring from where you started sewing, where you can see the thread starting from. So now that I have it right there, I'm going to extend the line. And then I'm going to sew it down right there. This is to create our boxy bottom. So you're going to sew it down. Turn it to the other side as well. Sew it down there as well. Do the same thing for the second fabric. So whatever you're doing on this, you are doing it on this. So guys, this is what it looks like. I've sewn it at the bottom here. Now I'm going to turn this one inside out. And then I'm going to place it inside this other one. So align the seams correctly. So make sure the seam is facing the seam. Then you're going to sew it together all around, but you're going to leave a space to turn it inside out from. So guys, I have sewn the top right here. Now I'm going to turn it inside out. So guys, this is what it looks like. I have sewn the top, the open edge at the top, and this is what this African print part looks like. It's so beautiful. So I'm going to put in my wine right now. So this is the wine I'll be using. So can you guys see? It fits it like a glove. So this is what it looks like. This is what the top looks like. Now you can easily put a fabric right here. So if you have a thin strip of fabric lying around, you can just tie it, or you can use ribbon, you can use anything, and it's going to look like this. And then you can also fold it down like this. So can you guys see? It even gives this beautiful look to it, and it tightens it up here so your drink does not just fall off. So it doesn't fall off. So this is what it feels like. Now I'm going to turn it to the other side so I can show you guys how it looks from the other side. So I'm going to put this in, and this is it. So you can also fold it in, or do the same method I said. And guys, that's all I have for this amazing video. I hope you guys loved this beautiful wine bottle, holder. Basically, it is amazing. I love how it's turned out. I love how, I can use the Ankara part and I can use the fleece part. I can fold it over and it will still look really, really good. Guys, I have a playlist on this channel of scrap projects, so things I can use with scrap fabrics. Basically, I have a special playlist set aside for that. I'll link it up here and down below in the description box so that you guys can go check it out. You guys are going to love all the videos there. I also have other amazing videos on this channel. You guys should go check it out. Eco-friendly, sustainable fashion, you know, just check it out and you would see all the amazing goodness this channel has to offer. And guys, that's all I have for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share with them and outside your circle, comment in the comment section if you have any questions. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon or night, wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.